Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you and I would like to ask you to join me to explore the iPhone features. The device that I use is iPhone XR, and if you want to edit a basic editing for your picture, you don't need to install an editing application because iPhone can do that for you. And through this video I would like to show you the way how to flip and rotate your picture without any editing application. So you just need to visit your photo library, and then you just need to find out which photo that you want to edit. So let's say this picture. If you want to flip and rotate this picture, you just need to go click it until the options is popping up into your screen and go click this edit button. And after that, you just need to right away visit these sections. If you want to flip this picture, go click this part in the top left corner. But then if you want to rotate it, go click this part. And you can flip the picture and rotate it. This is a quite basic editing because sometimes our picture is not in a mirror version. If you want to make it mirror, you just need to flip it, and you don't need to install an editing application to flip because the iPhone is already provided for you. So that's the way, guys, how to flip and rotate your picture on only with iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.